Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the XML is well-formed and locating the repeating record node you want as rows. Open the file in a text or XML editor to inspect element names and namespaces so you know which tags map to columns. Once done, launch Excel and choose Data, Get Data, or Open to import. Make sure to pick XML or use Power Query when available. This early inspection prevents mismapping and saves time converting nested structures later. Next, map elements to columns. In Excel, use XML source to drag element names into a table, or in Power Query, use File from XML and expand the nodes into columns. If data is nested, apply an XSLT stylesheet or Power Query steps to flatten child nodes and extract attributes. Be deliberate. Rename columns, set data types, and trim whitespace so numbers import as numbers. Once transformed, load to Worksheet and Preview to confirm every record appears as a row. To finish, load the clean table into Excel and save as an XLSX or export as CSV for broader compatibility. Make sure you set proper column types, freeze the header row, and apply basic formatting so downstream tools read values correctly. If something goes wrong, validate the XML against its schema, reopen a small sample to inspect problematic nodes, and rerun the mapping. Often namespace mismatches or unexpected nested elements are the cause, so fix those.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.